How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our retractable focus-beam LED flashlight. So this flashlight will use a AA battery, which comes included, and then you'll also have your mounting clip here. So let's go over the functions. So here, you'll have your red power button, which will be used to turn your unit on and off, as well as cycle through your 3 modes, high, low, and strobe. So I'll go ahead and power on my flashlight here, and then I'll lightly tap my power button to cycle through the modes. So here's high, low, and strobe. And then you can also adjust the beam of your flashlight by pulling on the head. So here's a quick demo of the intensity of this flashlight. So that covers our retractable focus beam LED flashlight. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.